Greetings to everyone! We continue the series of videos about the initial configuration of the WLC series wireless access hardware controllers. The settings for the controllers are the same. We will carry them out using the example of WLC 30. For the access points to work correctly, it is necessary to update their software to the current version. To do this, the software must be uploaded to the controller. When the access point is connected, it will update automatically to the new software even before registration. This is possible to set up a software update manager on a schedule. To download this software to the WLC, use the command copy, then enter the path to the firmware, TFTP server address plus software file name, and then specify the partition for writing the file. On the controller, the partition that is designed for access point software files is called as follows. To make sure that the firmware is loaded, do the following command and enter the name of the partition. There are two ways of registering access points on the controller. Automatic registration, when the access point receives the 15th sub-option of the 43rd option via DHCP, in which controller address is transmitted, it automatically submitted without participation of an administrator. If there are pre-prepared configuration templates, the access point will be automatically configured in accordance with them. It will start working and provide services. Registration in the manual mode. When the access point appears at the WLC, the administrator must enter a command to register it. This mode is used if you need to track all connected access points before registration. To demonstrate this, let's turn on the manual mode. The automatic mode, which is set in the factory configuration, must be disabled, so that the access points wait for administrator's command to be submitted. In the command line, do the command configure to enter the configuration mode. Do the command WLC to proceed the controller configuration. Next, perform the command service activator to enter the service activator editing section. Disable automatic registration access points by the command no apps join auto. To return to the root of the command line, do the command end. A warning about making changes appears. To apply the new settings, do the command commit. To confirm the changes, do the command confirm. After the changes are confirmed, you can connect to the access point. For example, use gigabit port for this. In the factory configuration of the WLC30, a DHCP server is configured to issue IP addresses to access points, including the necessary option 43, which contains two sub-options, the 12th for building soft-GRE data tunnels and the 15th containing the URL of the controller, after receiving which the access point comes to register at the specified address. To view the configuration of the DHCP pool for access points, enter the following command. After connecting to the access point to gigabit port, it will receive an address from the network with mask 24 from the following address range and will come to the controller. To view the list of access points awaiting registration, in the command line type the following command. A table with technical information about the access points appears. In our case, this is Web1L access point with its own MAC address. Enter the following command and put MAC address of the access point to register the access point on the controller. After authorization, the soft-GRE tunnels rise. Make sure that the access point is up and running. To do this, enter the following command. If the access point has been successfully submitted and configured, the status should be active. To view detailed information about the access points serviced by the controller, do the following command. If several access points are connected, to view the information about a specific one, you must enter the MAC address after this command. In our example, the access point is in the default location. That is all for now. We continue in the next video.